Many Nigerians confidently talk about the Southeast, even though most of them haven't visited the region in 10, 15, sometimes even 20 years. And because of that outdated information, people still repeat myths. Myths that crumble the moment you step foot into cities like Enugu, Awka, Abakaliki, Owerri, Nnewi, or Umuahia. Today, we are clearing the misinformation. This is living in the Southeast. Myth versus facts Nigerians still get wrong. For some strange reason, Nigerians love repeating this line: Southeast has no land. But when you actually travel across the region, you realize something shocking. There is land everywhere, wide open spaces, farmlands stretching for kilometers, undeveloped terrains, and massive urban expansion zones. Yes, some cities like Onitsha or Abia are densely populated, but density is not lack of land, it's economic concentration. The Southeast is currently expanding with new layouts, estate development, industrial zones, and government-acquired land for future urban planning. Enugu, for example, has more expansion land than most Nigerian capitals. Abakaliki is building new satellite districts. Awka is surrounded by vast land being reclaimed for development. Another myth Nigerians repeat with confidence, most of them who haven't traveled in years, is that Southeast cities are old-fashioned or not modern. But visit the region and the story changes completely. You see dual carriage roads, flyovers, LED streetlights, organized suburbs, and cleaner streets than many bigger Nigerian cities. Cities like Owerri and Enugu have some of the neatest urban environments in the country, and Abakaliki, one of the most transformed state capitals in Nigeria over the last decades. This one is popular. Igbo only build outside. They don't develop their region. But this is half-truth, mixed with decades-old stereotypes. Private real estate investment is booming in all Southeast states. Massive estates, duplex clusters, university hostels, hotels, shopping complexes, all built by private individuals and groups. Why don't Nigerians see it? Because the national media doesn't show it. And the people building don't make noise. They simply build quietly. There is a belief that the entire Southeast is always in chaos. But that narrative is exaggerated and outdated. Is the region perfect? No. But the reality is that every day, life in most Southeast cities is calm, normal, and structured. Morning rush, school runs, market activity, nightlife. The same routine you'll find in any functioning Nigerian city. Local vigilante groups, community watch teams, and state-level security restructuring keep neighborhoods regulated. People assume joblessness because they don't understand the region's economy. The Southeast is Nigeria's private sector powerhouse. Manufacturing hubs in Enugu, massive marketplaces in Onitsha and Abia, real estate expansion in Awka and Enugu, agricultural processing in Ebonyi, university-driven microeconomies in Imo and Abia. The Southeast doesn't run on government jobs. It runs on entrepreneurship, trade, and private industry, which produce jobs faster than civil service structures. This is the biggest myth of all. Some Nigerians still imagine the Southeast of the 1990s. But the region today is different. Sharper, cleaner, more modern, and expanding fast. The growth is visible. New roads, new estates, new hospitals, new malls, new industrial clusters, rapid population growth, huge middle class returning to build at home. The Southeast is one of the fastest growing urban regions in Nigeria, especially in private-driven development. But people outside the region don't know because they haven't seen it with their own eyes. The problem isn't that the Southeast is behind. The problem is that people's mind haven't caught up with the reality. They still hold on to old stories, ignoring the new picture. But the truth is right in front of anyone willing to see it. The Southeast is growing. The Southeast is modernizing. And the Southeast is rising. Quietly, steadily, confidently.